If you want to power off your Google Pixel 10a, but you don't want to touch the screen, or you cannot touch the screen because, for example, it doesn't work, it's broken or something like that. So what you can do in that case is, first of all, you will have to perform force restart of the phone. And then, in the meantime, once you perform the force restart, you will have to quickly switch the combination of buttons to go to the fast boot mode. Let me try to explain. So, in order to perform force restart, you will have to press and hold the power button and volume up button. And you will have to hold for like approximately 10 seconds or so. And once the screen shuts down, you will have to switch to the volume down button. You will have to press and hold volume down button all the time until you see the fast boot mode. So let's give it a try. We're gonna press and hold power and volume up and just keep holding these two buttons. Once the screen shuts down, immediately press and hold volume down. There we go, and now press and hold volume down. And just keep holding until you see the fast boot mode. It might take a couple of seconds, but eventually we should be able to go to the fast boot. There we go. Now, once we open the fast boot mode, we need to use volume buttons, and you can find the power off option. Usually you just have to press volume up once to have the power off selected. Once you have the power off, confirm by pressing the power button. And this is how we can shut down the phone without touching the screen. Now I'm gonna also check if we go back to the fast boot mode once we turn on the phone, but I believe that we will not. I think it goes back to the normal mode. Yeah, so that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.